Hi, this video is on how to make your toddlers independent. Okay, we generally have a tendency to say to our toddlers, don't do this. This is not for your age. Okay, even we can't do it. How can you do it? But there's a mistake. At this age, when we say to them, don't do, this is not age appropriate for you. And in the latter stage, maybe when they're 8 to 9 years old, we expect them to do their tasks independently. And that time we get the same answer what we gave to them, saying, Mama, this is not for me. I can't do it. So, to make your toddlers, kids, your child who will grow into young adults independent, the base starts from now. Yes, it starts from now. So, what are the steps? What are the points which will help your toddlers make independent? Is your first one. If your toddler wants to do any activity, any work, be it folding clothes or putting the toys back into place, maybe they won't do it perfectly, but if they want to do, please allow them. Please allow them. Be besides them if you feel they'll mess up or they hurt themselves. But yes, please give them the space to do the things. Okay, that's where they are trying, and allow them to do it. Second, praise them. Praise them. I'm telling you, just praise them. If they're doing something right, something very nice, something you find it very innovative, please praise them. There will be a tendency as they grow that they want praise at every point of time. That point of time, if you feel it's been too much, tell them, beta, it's a normal. Now it's a new normal for you. So, no praises for this. You can go and see how your child reacts to it. If they make choices as to what toys they want to play right now, or what clothes they want to wear, which shoes they want to wear, allow them to do it. Please allow them. They are making choices. They know what's right, what's wrong. That's what I did with my toddler. And today I find that in many stages he's very independent. He's like, okay, Mama doesn't want this, Papa doesn't want it, but I want it. And he understands. Though if it is wrong for him, okay, we tell to him, which he understands that, okay, it's wrong, then we'll not do it. But yes, he's got a choice. He's got a perception to a thing. Third one is forget about being perfect. Till now, even we do tasks which we are not perfect at. So don't expect perfectism from them. Fourth one is don't criticize your kid. Okay, you cannot do this. Haven't I told you you won't be able to do this? Why did you do this? You didn't listen to me. I know you were never able to do this. Please don't say all these things. It is killing their creativity. Next time when you even want them to do it, they will say, no, I don't want to do it. So please be patient and don't kill their creativity. Fifth point is, remember, they can do any task. Any means any. There could be tasks which you and me cannot do it, but yes, they can definitely do it. Always remember this point. The sixth point is, please be positive. Whatever you speak to them, even if they're not able to complete a particular task which has been given to them, or they themselves took an initiative to do, don't say, no, that's bad. Is this the way to do? No. Rather than, wow, so great that you attempted it and you did try. Better luck next time. So that's the way. Build up the positive. Because if you say the negative, that negative hampers their mind. It's always like, okay, I cannot do it. But if you say, you can do it. You can do it. They themselves has the inner feeling, yes, I can do it. The seventh point is, always remember kids copy us. So we ourselves got to be independent to make our little toddlers independent. Now the next question comes, when did my toddler, Rishwan, the super intelligent toddler, got this feeling of independence, or when he started doing activities? Well, he started doing activities quite an early age. Maybe I can say even at the age of 14 months, 13 months, he was quite promptu in getting things. We used to say we want this. So we never told him that he's supposed to get it, but he himself used to go there, get the things for us. So independence for Rishan started at a very early age. I won't say at a very early age. Maybe that's the right age. So yes, from there on till date, Rishan has been independent in quite a lot of things. There were 2 videos which I could capture, which you will see right now. And there you'll see I could have easily helped Rishan in doing things. Okay? He was not able to do. Say, Mama, nahi, I can't do it. But yes, said Rishan, try. And he succeeded. and that feeling of success in these toddlers is just too good to see. So do check out these two videos and let your little toddlers explore this independence. And if you have any comments or any questions, please drop a comment in the section below and we'll be happy to help you.
We're gonna die. It's in my hand. Did we not coming?
That you have to see.
It's out.
If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.